Embarking on the exhilarating journey of crypto investment is like setting sail into a digital frontier where traditional financial norms give way to the thrilling possibilities of the blockchain. For beginners, this voyage may seem like stepping into uncharted waters, but fear not, for this comprehensive guide is your compass, steering you through the intricacies of how to invest in crypto. Picture a world where currency isn't confined to physical wallets, but exists as intangible, decentralized assets, ripe with potential. Whether you're a curious newcomer or an aspiring crypto connoisseur, fasten your seatbelt as we unravel the complete guidelines that will empower you to navigate the exciting realm of cryptocurrency investment. Welcome to a space where innovation meets opportunity, and where every keystroke holds the promise of a financial frontier waiting to be explored. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, a portmanteau of crypto and currency, represents a revolutionary form of digital or virtual currency that leverages cryptographic techniques for secure financial transactions. At its core, cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized and distributed ledger technology known as blockchain. Unlike traditional currencies issued and regulated by central authorities like governments or banks, cryptocurrencies function on a peer-to-peer network. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control over the entire system, providing users with increased transparency, security, and autonomy over their financial transactions. The foundational concept of cryptocurrency is built upon the principles of cryptography, a practice of securing communication and information through the use of mathematical algorithms. In the context of cryptocurrencies, cryptography plays a crucial role in securing transactions, controlling the creation of new units, and verifying the transfer of assets. This cryptographic framework not only ensures the integrity and security of the digital currency, but also allows for the creation of a tamper-resistant and immutable record of all transactions on the blockchain. The most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, introduced the world to the concept of decentralized digital currency in 2009. Since then, numerous other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have emerged, each with its unique features, use cases, and underlying technologies. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts, enabling the creation of decentralized applications, dApps, on its blockchain. These diverse cryptocurrencies cater to different niches and purposes within the broader financial landscape. Getting started. Educate yourself. Begin by educating yourself about the various cryptocurrencies available in the market. Bitcoin and Ethereum are well known, but there are thousands of others, each with its unique features and purposes. Choose a reputable exchange. To start investing in crypto, you'll need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Popular platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Ensure the platform you select has a user-friendly interface and robust security measures. Create a wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets are digital tools that allow you to store and manage your crypto assets securely. Hardware wallets, such as Ledger or Trezor, provide an extra layer of protection by keeping your assets offline. Verify your identity. Most exchanges require users to undergo a KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process. This involves providing identification documents to comply with regulatory requirements. Making your first investment. Start small. As a beginner, it's advisable to start with a small investment. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, and a conservative approach can help you navigate the learning curve without significant risks. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Avoid putting all your funds into a single asset, as the market can be unpredictable. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on market trends, news, and regulatory developments. Crypto markets can be influenced by various factors, and staying informed will help you make informed investment decisions. Managing risks and security. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA on your exchange account and wallet to add an extra layer of security. Beware of scams. The crypto space is not immune to scams. Be cautious of fraudulent schemes and phishing attempts. Verify the authenticity of projects and double-check URLs to avoid falling victim to scams. Secure your private keys. Your private keys are crucial for accessing your crypto assets. Keep them secure and never share them with anyone. Long-term strategies. Long-term strategies play a pivotal role in the sustained growth and success of any organization. Unlike short-term tactics that focus on immediate gains, long-term strategies are comprehensive plans designed to navigate the complex landscape of business and adapt to evolving market conditions over an extended period. One key aspect of a successful long-term strategy involves a thorough understanding of the company's vision, mission, and core values. This foundation provides a guiding framework for decision-making and ensures alignment with the organization's overarching goals. Another critical element in long-term strategies is effective risk management. Businesses face a multitude of uncertainties, including economic fluctuations, technological advancements, and competitive pressures. Developing resilience and flexibility within the strategic framework helps companies not only weather unforeseen challenges, but also capitalize on emerging opportunities. This adaptability is particularly important in today's rapidly changing global business environment. In addition, fostering innovation is integral to long-term success. Organizations must invest in research and development, encourage a culture of creativity, and stay abreast of technological advancements to remain competitive. By continuously seeking new and improved solutions, companies can enhance their products, services, and processes, ensuring relevance and competitiveness in the long run. Furthermore, a commitment to sustainability is increasingly becoming a central component of long-term strategies. With growing awareness of environmental and social issues, companies that integrate sustainable practices into their operations not only contribute to the well-being of the planet, but also respond to the preferences of an environmentally conscious consumer base. This emphasis on corporate social responsibility not only enhances brand reputation, but also positions the company for long-term success in a changing societal landscape. Building strong relationships with stakeholders is another crucial element of successful long-term strategies. This includes nurturing relationships with customers, employees, suppliers, and the broader community. By prioritizing ethical business practices, transparent communication, and corporate social responsibility, organizations can cultivate trust and loyalty, which are essential for sustained success over time. Conclusion: investing in crypto can be both exciting and rewarding, but it requires diligence and a commitment to continuous learning. By following these guidelines, beginners can embark on their crypto investment journey with confidence. Remember to start small, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market developments to make informed decisions in this dynamic and evolving landscape. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.